Hello Year 11 and welcome to your weekly assembly. It's Miss Garforth. Today's assembly isn't about reflection, it isn't about lesson feedback, it's not more statistics on attendance, it isn't to do with your engagement in lesson. What it's about is about trying new things. Today's assembly is about challenging yourself to do something different. For the last 6 weeks, we've all been sitting in front of a computer screen working. What I'd like to challenge you to do during your half-term break is to get yourselves outdoors and start a 5-day outdoor challenge for each day of the week. Try a new challenge, try and complete each challenge, tick each one off as you go. What about on Monday, getting yourself outdoors, sourcing yourself a pine cone and making yourself a pine cone bird feeder? Tuesday, again, get yourself outdoors, find yourself some bits of pebbles and twigs and make yourself a twig character or a picture. Wednesday, have a go at the midweek mile. Put your trainers on, get yourself some exercise. On Thursday, what about trying to capture some birds? Try and take a photo of 5 different birds as you go outside for a walk. Friday, bit of maths involved. Try and work out how old you are in days and then attempt to walk that many steps. But of course, there are some of you who might not want to go outside. Weather might be terrible. Might not be able to go outside. So of course you can do things inside as well. Here's some ideas, but you've probably got loads of ideas of your own as well. What about on Monday, you learn a new sport or practice a sport that you haven't played for a while? Tuesday, speak to a friend or family member that you haven't connected with for ages. On Wednesday, have a go at writing a song. Thursday, perfect opportunity to read a book. What about on Friday, making yourself a time capsule? Something that you can look back on in years to come. Something which represents 2020 and 2021. So that's today's assembly. It's about challenge yourself to do something different, either outdoors, indoors, use my ideas, think of some ideas of your own, just do something different. Why? Why not? That's it from me today. Thank you for listening. Have a good half term. Make sure you get yourselves nice and relaxed. Okay, and I will see you back after half term. Bye for now.